The characteristic of magma. Last time I देखिए what is the temperature of the magma. So let's see first types of magma. So there are three types of magma on the basis of their silica percentage. Silica means SiO2 percentage. On the basis of SiO2 percentage, the magma can be classified into three types. तीनटा type में magma पाई. बस लावा भी पढ़ो तो तीनटा type रहेगा. So one is basaltic magma, which is andesitic, okay, dialectic. Basaltic magma कहबो, intermediate कहबो, and acidic magma. Basaltic, intermediate, acidic कहबो. So basaltic magma रे मोरा silica percentage will find 45 to 55%. But we have to 58% देले basaltic. Intermediate रे 55 to 65, and rhyolitic magma रे you will get greater than 65%. You can write down greater than 65% होची मोर आसीबो in rhyolitic magma, or rhyolitic is your acidic magma. Acidic magma or andesitic, you can say intermediate. It is in between acidic and basic. So basaltic magma, it has a silica percentage of 45 to 55%. Andesitic magma, it has a silica percentage of 55 to 65%. And rhyolitic magma, it has a silica percentage of 65 to 75%. And they also characterized by some elements. So in the basic condition fiber, you will get more Fe, Mg, calcium, and low potassium, sodium. So in a basic magma, or if silica percentage is less than 45%, if it is less than 45%, it is called as ultra basic. Ultra basic, because we are considering up to 45%. If less than 45%, it will be ultra basic. So ultra basic or basic, they have higher percentage of magnesium, iron, and calcium. They have higher percentage of iron, magnesium, and calcium, but they have low percentage of sodium and potassium, which is the reverse in case of acidic magma. Acidic has more potassium and sodium and less iron, magnesium, and calcium. Then andesitic magma, it will be in intermediate. Both Mg, Fe, Ca, potassium, sodium, all will be present at intermediate amount. So basic magma and acidic magma, those are characterized by different elements. So basic magma has high Mg, Fe percentage, but low potassium, sodium. Rhyolitic magma has, rhyolitic or acidic magma has more potassium, sodium percentage and less iron, magnesium percentage. Andesitic will be intermediate. If you consider ultra basic, it will be silica percentage less than 45%. Then comes to gases present in magma. So there are various gases present within the magma. So what we call volatile substance. Volatile substance. Among all the volatile substance, H2O or water vapor, you can say. Water vapor, it is the most abundant volatile substance within a magma. Magma रे जितने भी volatile substance होती, सबसे अधिक तंत्र कौन था? Water था. Second राशि की carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, water, it is the most abundant. Water is most abundant, approximately 90 to 95% of all volatile matter. Only if you consider the volatile part, among the volatile part, 90 to 95% is water. So whole magma रो 90% भाभी. Whole magma रे जितने volatile percentage अच्छी, तारा 90 to 95% होच ना H2. बुझले? तब तुम्हें पाइबो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सेकंड हाईएस्ट अछि. तब कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर, क्लोरीन, chlorine gas, hydrochloric acid, then H2S, बहुत जिनिस पाइबो. H2S पाइबो, HCl पाइबो. So बहुत अमाउंट में पाइबो अदर. हला. So most importantly, among monotheracy, it has the most highest volatile matter of H2O, which is 90 to 95% of all the volatile matter present within a magma. So ये जो gases अच्छी व volatile matter अच्छी they either present in dissolved condition or may present in free condition. Dissolved condition means whether cold drinks बोतल देखो cold drinks बोतल कौन था कार्बोनेट था बट आमे ताको देखि परिबे it is in dissolved condition. जदि तुमे जते बेले ताको बोतल टा खोलुछ सेते बेले से माने रिलीज होछ सेते से माने बबल्स क्रिएट करो कोन बबल्स क्रिएट करते जो बबल्स क्रिएट पे तुमे जानला जे सेटू गैस टा रिलीज है तो सेबड़ा गोटे रॉक बा गोटे magma रे मोर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ volatile matter मे बी पूरा फ्री कंडीशन में थाई करन अदरवाइज being dissolved condition तो ता विषय में आगु पढिबा हाउ दे help to produce different type of structure. Then comes to temperature of magma. So temperature, we have three types of magma: acidic, basic, and intermediate. So acidic magma, it is the lowest temperature magma, 650 to 800, and basaltic magma, it is the highest temperature. So basic magma, it is around 1000 to 1200 asimo, like 1100 would lekhai pipe, and acidic magma 800 to 1000. Then rheolitic is 650 to 800. There are some rare magma which can be lower than the rheolitic magma or acidic magma, or maybe higher than the basaltic magma. केते गच्छन्ति तुमे आगु पढियो कि basaltic magma रो भी अधिक टेम्परेचर वाला magma अछन्ति जोटा कि एक्जिस्ट करथले ड्यूरिंग आर्कियन टाइम से टाइम रे एक्जिस्टिंग करि परथले एबे तुमे अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1200 डिग्री पाइबो basaltic magma. Next item, viscosity of the magma. Viscosity of the magma. How different factors affect the viscosity of the magma? The different factors will affect the viscosity of the magma को affect करो. So viscosity you can write down. It is the resistance to flow. It is the resistance to flow. Or we can say it is the opposite of fluidity. It is the opposite of fluidity. Last thing, यदि हमें कौनसी viscous thing देखो, viscous thing रे यदि तुम्हें water add, तो रोसे करछो डाली बढिया है, तब कौन कर? हॉस्टल जो मान रोज से मान जानते, यदि भूल ले हेगला बेसी डाली बढिया, सेटु तुम्हें पानी डाल दो, कि शॉर्टेज पड़ला तबे पानी डाल दो, तो ताको हमें कौन करछो? लेस viscous करछो, तो जोटी water addition आसियो माने, एक केस रे viscosity को हम decrease करें. So water गोटे factor, यदि addition हुई ताल viscosity decrease. तापर आगोटे factor है temperature. यदि हमें temperature कौन सी thing रे increase करें, ताले molecular distance increase करें. तो molecular distance increase करें, ताले हमारे freely mobile है बे, तो easily mobile ही करें. तो obviously गोटे सीट में liquid substance of a same solid substance. If the liquid substance we consider karibo, then it will be more mobile kind of mane they have more molecular spacing. So if more molecular spacing, then more we can say mobility. So temperature also, if you will increase the temperature, then the viscosity will decrease. Viscosity will decrease because higher temperature will be more mobile. So more mobility means less viscous. So that means temperature is inversely proportional to viscosity. And also water content is also inversely proportional to viscosity. As we increase the water content, the viscosity will decrease. Viscosity will decrease, that means mobility will be more. So we have two factors now, one is temperature, another is your water content. Then comes another thing, that is your silica polymerization. So what is the silica polymerization? You know about the silicate structure. Some of the silicate structure is the answer. So you have nesosilicate, sorosilicate, anosilicate, double chain, single chain. then cyclosilicate, then phyllosilicate, then tectosilicate. If you see the sequence of sharing of oxygen, so in a silicon tetrahedral, what will happen? SiO will share all its oxygen in different types of silicate structure. So different type of silicate structure se share. As in nesosilicate will not share any of its oxygen. It is isolated tetrahedral. तो nesosilicate रे कौन ऑक्सीजन शेयर करियो नहीं. सपोज आम एमती एग्जांपल लगा कि आम गोटे ग्रुप रे अछि, सपोज 10 जन पिला तुम गोटे ग्रुप रे अछि, तुमे आइसोलेटेड है कि छिडा है गोटे गोटे जगह. दैट मींस यू हैव less viscosity or more viscosity. We have less viscosity because we are not linked with each other. क्या मैं यदि कि दी जन पिला हाथ धरा धरी छिडा देन viscosity टिके बढ़ी, पुणी 3 जन पिला हाथ धरा धरी छिडा आउ टिके बढ़िबो. समस्त यदि धरा धरी छिडा हो तले गोटे जगह छिडा हो तो viscosity कम बढ़िबो बा हमें टुगेदर. तो जिते एटम तुमर ऑक्सीजन ना शेयरिंग जिते बढ़िबो सिलिका सेते अधिक पॉलीमराइज हे पारे. पॉलीमराइज मींस कौन? मल्टीप्लाई हे पारिबो बा अधिक तुमर डेंसर हे पारिबो. तो SiO2 जेतेबे तुमर SiO4 टेट्राहेड्रल ग्रेजुअली जेतले से पॉलीमराइज होय तो सिलिकन तबे नेसोसिलिकेट देखिबो ताले कोनोसी ऑक्सीजन से शेयर करे नाही. सरोरे गोटे ही ऑक्सीजन शेयर करे. आयोनोसिलिकेट रे दुईटा ऑक्सीजन शेयर करे. पुनी डबल चेन रे 2 और 3 ऑक्सीजन शेयर करे. फाइलो रे 3 ऑक्सीजन शेयर करे. टेक्टो रे 4 ऑक्सीजन शेयर करे. जेते से अधिक सिलिका बा ऑक्सीजन जेते अधिक से शेयर करि करि चलिबो सेते से डेंसर हे चलिबो, अधिक विस्कस हे चलिबो. हला so more silica polymerization, SiO polymerization will increase the viscosity. That means suppose a substance showing tectosilicate, it will be more viscous than a substance showing nesosilicate. Right? So write down the viscosity of the magma increases with silicon oxygen polymerization. Then you can also write down the percentage of silica. When the percentage of silica increases, the viscosity also increases. The percentage of silica increases, the viscosity also increases. After formation of the magma formation है लापर जो generation हमें पढ़ेले, तापर it will start to rise to the surface. ठीक है? Surface को धीरे-धीरे rise करने का चेष्टा करें. So while it is rising to the surface, तो surface को से rise करता है